today we're going to be doing another 10 types video. So how about we do a 10 types of 10 types. So 10 things I love about puppy dogs. How about that? Because I just invented it. 10 things I love about puppy dogs. Number 10 will be their cute, adorable puppy eyes. The set number 2 will be the cute, adorable, soft, silky fur. Another one will be, number 3 will be their adorable, wet, cute nose. Number 4, their adorable, very, very adorable paw shape. Their paws are so cute when they're puppies that are so tiny. Number 5, their personality. I love the different puppies' personality, depending on what breed or what care they had before. Number 6, I'm gonna say I love their ears. They're big, floppy, straight, or soft or silky or small ears. Number 7, I love puppies because of all the different shades of fur colors they can have. Number 8, I love puppies. Number 8, I love puppies because of their adorable, cute, floppy or straight or floppy or soft cheeks and faces. Number 9, what I love about puppies. Let's see here. I love their adorable little puppy yelps. Number 10, I love the way their tongue, they lick you and the way it feels. Although I don't really like the slobber, but it feels so good. It feels so good. So that was it for the top 10 things I love about puppy dogs. Peace, love. See you in the next video. Bye!